In today's world, people are always looking for the latest gadgets technology has to offer. However, when shopping for technology, customers are more likely to trust online user reviews than in-person consults with the experts. But just how reliable are online reviews? Most online reviews come from the sources that are not actually competent or reliable, therefore publishing exaggerated and false reviews that mislead people. Saturn wants to highlight this issue by exaggerating irrelevant reviews and showing how unreliable they actually are. We've developed a campaign to discourage customers from trusting online user reviews, Jupiter TV. In the teaser phase, Jupiter TV will leave their review along with the link of the blog under Real Online Product Reviews. Once curiosity about the link develops online, Jupiter TV will post video tutorials of people showing ridiculous ways of showing products alongside other YouTube videos.
Hi guys, it's me again, Jay from Jupiter, back at you with another little tutorial. Today I want to show you guys an easy little hack I learned how to make your phone fly on airplane mode. It's really easy and super cool, so you just have to unlock your screen, swipe up, press that, I don't know if you can see it, the airplane mode button, and then it's ready to fly. And if you like that video, make sure you smash that like button.
They will then be integrated with other user tutorial content. These videos will direct users to the official YouTube playlist of tutorials. By subscribing to the channel, users are directed to our blog, which is the platform for the campaign and where we reveal Saturn's participation. Our print ads will be with real online user reviews to emphasize our message, as well as TVCs of customers using products the way they were advised to do from online user reviews. Because Saturn experts for sure know better than some words on a screen. Jupiter TV by Saturn.